Okay. So who would like to speak first? This is the cue card. Describe an old person you know and respect. Then we'll also do the follow-ups. I can see a few students who don't speak at all. Jaspal, Ushin, Ramandeep. Who is this? No names A50. Arlene, Gaganpreet, Divya, Aparna, Aman. Just,
So,
just.
ma'am, shall I?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Just give me 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you may begin. Would you like to
Okay.
have your video on?
Uh, yes, ma'am, I can. All right. Um, yes, ma'am. Am I visible?
Now you're visible. Yes.
All right. Okay. So there are many old people whom I know, and in our culture, we respect all elderly. And so the person who come to my mind when like I'm describing an old person, so he is my grandfather. His name is Mr. Desraj Singh, and he is in his late 80s. Um, he's not too old. He's not very tall, but he looks very handsome. And there are many reasons why I respect him. He has completed his master's in Hindi, and moreover, he loves to write poems and even about many topics. He really loves to read about, and due to that, even during my spare time, I always love to read his writings. And like there are many reasons why I respect him. First of all, he's a very polite and very punctual person. Whenever he is about to complete any work, he do that work with very determination. And anyone like in a family member or a neighbor, everyone like they respect him a lot. And moreover, as during any tense situation, he always makes us laugh by cracking his little jokes. That is the reason I always love him. And after that, even sometimes if my parents are busy, then my grandfather is always there by my side to help me. And even in my studies, I always find him to be on my side and to help me in every situation. And he is the role model for most of the people, and even he is the head of our society club. So I think there are many reasons why I love him and I respect him a lot. He is a very kind-hearted person. Moreover,
Very good.
I
Very,
forgot one point.
very good. Very
Moreover,
good.
I forgot the last point. He has a great sense of humor, so I really love him.
Don't say like that in the exam. Okay? अभी mute कर लो अपने आप को.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अभी ठीक है. किसी और के पीछे थी disturbance. See. Don't say like that in the exams. I forgot one point. It will look as if you have mugged up something and you are forgetting a point and you are repeating it. Okay? Don't say like that over there. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And you spoke very well. Everyone respect him. Everyone respects him. There should be an S there. और कोई गलती थी नहीं. If I were the examiner, this is a 7-band cue card. You spoken, okay? एंड पर एक जगह देखो, आपका आई कंटेक्ट कैमरे में होना चाहिए था. आप पता क्या कर रहे थे? ऐसे ऐसे देख रहे थे. ये हैबिट एग्जाम में ना चली जाए. तो वहां यू हैव टू लुक स्ट्रेट इन द आईज ऑफ द एग्जामिनर. Okay?
Yes,
And when you practice in front of the camera. So when you look back, when you watch the video again, or when you record yourself and watch, it should look as if you are looking straight into the eye. Okay?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So that will spell confidence. Very good. Okay? So we
Thank
will
you,
do
ma'am.
the follow-ups. Who would like to answer the follow-ups? Yes, yes. Okay. Anybody? Okay. So, Amita, you are answering?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Amita. What qualities does a person need to have to take care of old people?
Um, I think that person should be very responsible while taking care of the old people. They must have ability to listen them, because adulthood is that age where they need somebody to talk. They should take care of them, and uh, they should take care of their everything what they need.
Very good. Okay, what are the main problems faced by the elderly? What are the main problems faced by the elderly people? Shweta, you may answer.
Uh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you come closer to the mic?
Yes, ma'am. I believe there are a lot of problems faced by the elderly, they are feeling lonely because there is no one to take care of them, and even their children and their grandchildren are not living with them because due to the
Children's
uh,
मत बोल देना,
children, sorry,
grandchildren. हाँ.
children, because of the busy working of them, and secondly, in this age, they feel less energetic, and they because they don't have anybody to talk, and uh,
Okay. So one point is you can name this point. You will get the same things to write in your essays also. So this point is social isolation. Okay.
socialize.
The
Okay,
main
right,
problem that elderly face is social isolation. Okay.
right,
Even their
right.
children and grandchildren don't have time for them. Everybody's busy in their own work. So, and they have nobody to talk to. They really want somebody to communicate with at this age, and they don't get anybody to talk to. Okay. सेकेंड थिंग ये फेस आपने शुरू करा था एनर्जेटिक से, मुझे लगा पॉइंट पे आ जाओगे. दैट इज हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स. Okay,
Right,
the elderly
right,
face health problems. Body is like a machine. The older it gets, the more oil it needs, and oil is exercise and medicines for the old body. So you know
right.
they face health problems, and then you can name the health problems. कौन सी health problems है?
Okay. Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
technology points we will discuss in this. They will.
टेक्नोलॉजी इज नॉट प्रॉब्लम. पहले आप तीन उनकी मेन प्रॉब्लम्स बोल लो ना. सबसे पहली प्रॉब्लम है सोशल आइसोलेशन. सेकंड प्रॉब्लम दे फेस इज health problems. They suffer from hypertension, diabetes,
Financial problems.
arthritis. Third problem is financial problems. Okay, so the three main problems are social isolation, financial problems, and health problems. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the next question is, what can be done to motivate the elderly to learn about technology?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vanna. What can be
Ma'am,
done
I
to
have a
motivate?
question.
Yes, Oshin, you want to answer?
Yeah, no, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yes, sure.
Can we include our personal experiences?
Sure. Very well. They will add a personal touch to your answers. They will add naturalness to your natural.
Okay.
You can add anything. You just have to speak as if English is not your problem at all. Okay? You
Okay.
can express yourself. Oshin, there is no hard. You should, the students who've got 8 or 8+, they came and told me, ma'am, I felt I was talking to my friend. Ma'am, the examiner was listening. I told him a lot of things I knew. He was listening. So just be yourself.
Ma'am, do we have to talk formally, or can we also talk informally?
No, you should not use informal words. Kids वगैरह avoid करो. Kids word है वहाँ से ऐसे avoid करो. It's a formal, speaking test. So be a bit formal.
Understood.
Yeah. But you can be very simple, not use any vocabulary, and still get an 8 plus. Okay, Oshin? Now
Okay.
answer this question. What can be done to motivate the elderly to learn about technology? What can be done to motivate them?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes.
Okay, so recently my grandmother, we got her a latest smartphone, and she was not really into it because she
Oshin, unmute yourself and speak. Okay. Anybody else can answer? What can be done to motivate the elderly?
They should be given some user friendly, that is the friendly interface in gadgets that can help them to guide how the gadgets are used, as well as the technology can be friendly in terms of tracking their health as well.
Yes, so they should, but what can be done? They should be motivated. They should be told the benefits of learning about technology. They should be told that if they learn how to use this phone, they'll be able to order anything from the market, and they won't need to be dependent. They have to be told that if they learn about this, they can talk to their grandchildren anytime, wherever they are. Okay, they have to be told that if they learn, and of course, what Aditi you've said is perfectly correct, that all these technological gadgets should be made user friendly. They should be made friendly so that the elderly people don't have a problem learning about them. Okay, learning about them, that is it. Okay. Oh my god, I don't know what do I do, but I just clicked something and okay. So how can people in the neighborhood help the elderly during an epidemic? Next question. Dilpreet?
Yes, shall I speak?
Yes. How can people in the neighborhood help help the elderly during an epidemic?
Neighborhood can help the elderly people in many ways. Firstly, I can say that they can give some foods that is made in the home, as well as they can help essential things, like they can buy some of things from the market, and some medicines, because elderly people can't go outside during the epidemic, because for example, in the COVID-19, elderly people's
People's नहीं बोलना कभी भी. Okay.
elderly people suffer from easily this disease. So
easily this disease, क्या बोल रहे हो? और एक सेंटेंस कंप्लीट नहीं कर रहे हो, बीच में ही एंड फॉर एग्जांपल, बीच में ही बिकॉज, एक सेंटेंस कंटिन्यू कर रहा है, कहीं कोई सेंस कंप्लीट ही नहीं करी है सेंटेंस की. दिलप्रीत, व्हाई डोंट यू स्पीक स्मॉलर सेंटेंसेस? और आपके भी कम आएंगे और आप कुछ फर्मली बोल पाओगे, कुछ समझ तो आए क्या सेंटेंस. एक छोटा सा अपने माइंड में फ्रेम करो, उसको कंप्लीट करो, अगला बोलो. ओके. द नेबर्स कैन हेल्प इन मेनी वेज. आपको समझ आ रहा है मेरा? यहाँ फुल स्टॉप मैं बोल नहीं रही हूँ, पर मेरा फुल स्टॉप समझ आ रहा है आपको? The neighbors can help in many ways. They can give them home cooked meals. They can buy things for them from the market. समझ आ रहे हैं मेरे छोटे सेंटेंस? समझ आ रहे हैं मेरे फुल स्टॉप्स? आप कैसे बोल रहे हो? वो तो 5:30-6 पे जा रही है स्पीकिंग आपकी.
okay,
the way you are speaking, ideas will not matter, the way you speak matters. full stops डालो. Okay.
okay ma'am.
हाँ, तो अननेसेसरीली उसको एक्सटेंड करते जा रहे हो सेंटेंस को, पहले को कंप्लीट करने से पहले ही. वो गलत हो रहा है ना. दैट इज गेटिंग रॉन्ग. ओके. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्यू कार्ड इज describe a film or a movie that made you laugh. Okay. Who will speak this? Aditi, would you like to speak on this cue card?
Surely, ma'am. If I would like to attempt it.
Yes. A film or a movie that made you laugh. Okay.
The film that I would like to portray here would be the Mr. Bean one. The classic example why I chose Mr. Bean's movie is he didn't need dialogues to convey the kind of sense of humor that he wanted to the audience, and with it engaged a lot. The basic learning in the whole movie was, even if you are alone, you can still enjoy life. There are no drawbacks in life, and you can still kind of ma'am, I needed 1 minute, sorry.
Okay. So whenever you get a, describe a movie that made you laugh, you can also, spend time on telling when did you watch it, who you watched it with, why it made you laugh, and then go on to tell the story of the movie in the present tense. Okay. And the comedy in which you don't have to use words. You just make people laugh with your bodily actions. What is that comedy called? You know what that comedy is called? There are two types of comedy. One is stand-up and one is slapstick. Okay, slapstick comedy. He is
Slapstick, okay.
He's an expert at slapstick comedy. He can make people laugh by his gestures and not without even speaking anything. He can make people laugh. Okay. So
Okay.
that is, Charlie Chaplin, slapstick comedian, then Mr. Bean, slapstick comedian, like that you can see. And then you can also speak on when you went to see it, that you can go in the past tense. Okay. So
Okay.
I will go to the follow-up questions now. Okay. Follow-up questions are, do people like comedy? Who will answer? Divya, can you answer? Are you there? Divya? We have two Divyas here. Any Divya can come forward.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, Divya. So,
Hello.
do people like comedy? We can hear you. Yeah, speak. Answer the question. Do people like comedy? Do people like comedy? Just give me 1 second. Okay. Do people like comedy?
Yes, people like comedy a lot. Nowadays, everybody is having a hectic schedule, due to which they are suffering from a lot of stress, depression, anxiety. So these comedy programs, television serials, or movies provide them relaxation, so that they can laugh and spend some quality time with their family.
Very nice. दिव्या बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बोला है. और आपको पता है ये
Thank you,
कॉमेडी
ma'am.
प्रोग्राम जो टीवी के हैं, इनको क्या बोलते हैं? What are they called?
No, ma'am.
Sitcoms. Sitcom is a suitcase word.
Sitcoms. Okay, ma'am.
सूटकेस क्या होता है? 2 हिस्से में खुलता है ना सूटकेस. ठीक है, तो 2 वर्ड्स लिए जाते हैं. सिट लिया गया सिचुएशन से, कॉम लिया गया कॉमेडी से. सिचुएशन
Okay,
ऑफ
ma'am.
कॉमेडी इज अ हास्य सीरियल, comedy serial on TV. Sitcoms. So people like to watch sitcoms.
Ma'am, one thing I wanted to understand the pronunciation of schedule. Is it schedule or schedule? Because it varies according to
Correct.
countries, right?
Both are correct. Both are accepted. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Both are accepted. Okay. Why do people of all ages like cartoons, Divya?
People of all ages like cartoons. I think the reason behind that is it provides a lot of relaxation. On the other hand, it does not involve any controversial issues or the stress or depression which is going around the globe. For example, nowadays, everybody is suffering from the difficult situation of COVID, and everybody wants some relaxation on their ends. So by watching cartoon movies, they can spend very good time with their children, as well as it will bring laughter to the within the environment of the home.
Okay. Why do some people like to make others laugh?
People like to make others laugh because I think they want to bring a smile on other faces. If somebody is meeting with another person, and if he or she feels that the person is not feeling happy, or his or her mood is down that day, so they definitely crack a joke or talk something relaxed or in a better way so that the person can smile.
Okay.
And
Meeting के बाद with नहीं आता. If a person is meeting another person, so you
Okay,
can
ma'am.
say some people are generally very they have a sense of
Good
humor,
sense of humor.
and they enjoy making people laugh. It gives them a mental satisfaction and thrill
Okay,
that they
ma'am.
can bring a smile on other people's lips. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Should teachers tell jokes in class?
Can you please repeat the question, ma'am?
Should teachers tell jokes in class? Okay. अगर एग्जाम में आपको
Yes.
एग्जामिनर को बोलना पड़ जाए कि क्वेश्चन
हाँ
रिपीट
जी.
करो, what do you say?
Pardon.
Can you please
Pardon.
repeat the question,
Just
sir?
say pardon.
Pardon, please.
Pardon.
Pardon. Okay.
And if you want to
Ma'am,
tell the
you could
examiner,
say
if you want to tell the examiner that you could not understand any question, then what will you say? You will say, kindly paraphrase the question. Sir, kindly
Okay,
paraphrase
ma'am.
the question
Paraphrase the question.
so that I
Okay,
can
ma'am.
answer to your satisfaction. Okay?
Is that allowed, ma'am?
Yes, you can say like that. Kindly paraphrase the
Okay,
question
ma'am.
so that I can answer.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
These are two ways. You know, sometimes the follow-up questions are very lengthy and you don't understand what the examiner is asking. You can definitely ask the
Yes, ma'am.
examiner to paraphrase. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, should teachers
Okay.
tell jokes in class? This is a question. Should teachers tell
Yes.
jokes in class?
Yes, teachers should tell jokes in their classes because I think it would not only strengthen the bond between the teacher and the student, as well as it will break the monotonous routine or the monotonous environment of the classroom. And with this, students can be able to concentrate and attend the class or the
Not only वाला sentence है, उसमें आपको but also लगाना चाहिए था. आपने
हाँ जी,
as
हाँ
well as
जी.
लगाया.
Okay, ma'am.
Not only do this, but also do that. Okay? Not only,
Okay, ma'am.
but also.
Okay.
That is a frame. Okay, next cue card is describe a person who helps others in his or her spare time. Harleen, would you like to speak? Describe a person who helps others in his or her spare time. I think Harleen is not answering. So anybody else who has not spoken so far? आज बच्चे अपने आप आगे आ ही नहीं रहे हैं. हाँ. Yes, Jobanpreet, come on. Describe a person who helps others in his or her spare time. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Well, it is a very rare to find helping person in today era, but some people are really humble who spend their leisure time to help others. Here, I would like to talk about a person who help others in free time. His name is Anmol Kawatra. I remember I come to know about him through his organization. When I was surfing on Facebook, suddenly I watched a video about a person who was helping a lot of needy patients. Immediately, I opened his Facebook page, namely, we do not expect money or things. And I watched a lot of video about the same on his page. This organization helps the needy patients by the giving financial support, which is done by Anmol Kawatra and his team in Ludhiana. They help every day from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. in front of a reputed hospital in Ludhiana. Moreover, they have to save the life of needy patients who cannot afford the expenses of hospital. However, the interesting thing is that after watching video, I come to know about that this is the first organization of the world which work without bank accounts and funds. Anmol and his team work with full transparency and do not touch donors' money. This purpose is to arrange the donors' money for patients who access directly To be honest, this way helping humanity is really impressed me. Moreover, I have been following this page since then, and I watch video every day. He motivates the youth and to do same. All in all, I feel this young boy is a full inspiration who inspires thousands of people, including me, do something for humanity. And I really impressed to him when I watch his video. And I think he's a down to earth person, and I think he's a role model for many people. And I also follow him, and I also wanted to successful like him.
Very good. Jobanpreet, galtiyan to sigiyan, but I appreciate your the way you spoke. I appreciate that you went on for 2 minutes. I appreciate that there were mistakes. एक दो mistakes हर क्यू कार्ड में ऐसी पकड़ो जो आपने आगे रिपीट नहीं करनी, आपकी स्पीकिंग में इम्प्रूवमेंट आ जाएगी. He it के साथ हमेशा s वाला वर्ड. He helps, help नहीं. Okay?
Okay मैम.
हाँ.
Okay मैम.
आज ये पकड़ लो क्योंकि काफी छोटी छोटी गलतियां थी, बट एक एक गलती को अच्छे से पकड़ो एंड देन अपने आप को रिकॉर्ड करके सुनो कि मैंने ये ही के साथ एस के बिना वाला वर्ब तो नहीं बोल दिया, ही गिव मी. अच्छा, फिर आपने वो पास्ट टेंस वाली आई कम टू नो, आई केम टू नो आना था. दूसरी ये आज की उसमें से दूसरी ये गलती आज पकड़ लो कि टेंस का ध्यान रखो. और तीसरी आपने ना सेम जहां बोला है, सेम से पहले हमेशा द आएगा, द सेम. ओके
ओके मैम.
बट एक जगह बोला है सेम के पहले हमेशा द आएगा. So today I have told you 3 small grammatical mistakes that you have to work on them, and definitely day by day improvement आएगी. आज का cue card, the way you spoke, if the examiner is fair, should go a 6, between 6 and 6.5. If the examiner is fair, 6.5, otherwise 6 तो जाएगा, despite the small mistakes that you made. Okay, despite them.
Okay ma'am.
Okay, work hard, don't take things for granted. Work hard on your mistakes, you'll definitely do well. When are you planning your exam?
Ma'am, 21 August.
Okay, good. That's good. Till that time, you should be able to improve yourself. Okay, and tell your speaking tutor to check you on these mistakes if you make them. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Tense, and then after he, she, it, if you use a verb without s, and third is same. Before same the. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have a question about these answers. Ma'am, what is the meaning of spare time?
What is the meaning of?
Spare time. Spare time.
मेरे को समझ नहीं आया word. Spellings बोलना.
Spare time, ma'am. Spare time.
Spare time is free time. खाली समय, leisure time. ओके जब आपके पास
यस मैम.
स्पेयर का वैसे मतलब होता है एक्स्ट्रा, पर एक्स्ट्रा नहीं, यहाँ पे स्पेयर टाइम का मतलब है फ्री टाइम. ओके
तो मैम जैसे ये जो आंसर हुआ है इसमें इन्होंने फ्रॉम द टाइम 10 to 6 कहा, तो इतना लॉन्ग टाइम स्पेयर टाइम हो सकता है?
वीकेंड्स पे हो सकता है, सैटरडे संडे को.
ओके ओके ओके
ठीक है. पता है क्या मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, आप ना ये जो स्पेयर टाइम बोल दिया, ये कोई बहुत बड़ा इशू नहीं है कि बेसिकली वो बोलना चाहता था 6 to 10 बोला है, तो 4 घंटे बोला है शाम को, उसने 10 to 6 नहीं बोला. ओके. और 6 to 10 तो हर कोई आफ्टर ऑफिस निकाल सकता है ना, वो स्पेयर टाइम है. ठीक है. स्पेशली जो अगर यंग बॉयज हैं, इनको कोई घर में खाना नहीं बनाना है किचन में, जब 10 बजे भी घर आएंगे तो मम्मी ने खाना दे देना है, तो इनका तो 6 to 10 स्पेयर टाइम निकल आता है ना. उसका ऐसी गलतियों पे फोकस मत करो, उन चीजों पे फोकस करो जो ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स है. ओके, वो ज्यादा नोट होती हैं, वो छोटी छोटी जो मिस्टेक्स हो जाती है ना. एंड सी द कॉन्फिडेंस विद व्हिच ही स्पोक.
यस मैम, वेरी नाइस.
यस, एंड ही वेंट ऑन एंड दैट वाज वेरी नाइस. सो पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स हैं जो वो मैंने उसको पॉजिटिव भी बताए पहले, और जो उसके नेगेटिव थे वो मैंने वो भी बताए उसके. सो ही विल वर्क ऑन देम एंड डेफिनेटली ही विल डू वेल, राइट?
यस मैम.
ओके, सो द फॉलो अप्स.
थैंक यू.
अच्छा, अब क्योंकि ये वाला क्यू कार्ड है ना, तो ऑल रिच, पुअर, हेल्प अदर्स, नीडी, ये सारे ऐसे आपके गेस वर्क में आ जाते हैं. ऑल ओल्ड पीपल ऐसे आर इन योर गेस वर्क. इनको कर लेना अच्छे से, ठीक है, ऑल ऑफ यू. So, do people nowadays help others more than in the past, Elizabeth? Do people nowadays help each other more than in the past?
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
answer, ma'am?
Yes, you can answer, Veerpal. That's okay.
Okay. In these days, people are more less helpful in the past as compared to past, because in the past time people have a free time, they spend time with the neighbors and help each other, but in the nowadays people have a less time, they are more busy
Okay,
in
okay.
their work,
Okay,
so
okay.
they
People help each other. Past में help आना है, but in the nowadays नहीं आना, but nowadays आना है. तो आप ना तेज तेज बोल के बीच में बहुत errors कर रहे हो grammatical. I would suggest आप थोड़ा धीरे बोलो. ठीक है, तेज बोलने से errors छुपती नहीं है. वीरपाल, तेज error से, तेज बोलने से ज्यादा notice होती है examiner के लिए. Okay? तो आप जब बहुत तेज बोलते हो और बहुत गलतियां करते हो तो एग्जामिनर कहता है अच्छा 10 तो मुझे मिल गई, 10 और हो गई होंगी तेजी में, तो वो फीलिंग भी आ जाती है. ओके, तो थोड़ा आराम से ठरम्मे से बोलो, आंसर दो. ओके, बहुत तेज बोल रहे हो जैसे अब कोई गाड़ी छूटने वाली है, बस बोल दो फटाफट ये भी वो भी, ऐसे मत बोलो कोई भी आंसर, आराम से बोलो आंसर्स. ओके,
हमें वो मेरे से ना क्यू कार्ड में भी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है, जल्दी से वो बोलने जाती है तो फिर वो मेरे माइंड से स्किप हो जाता है, तो फिर पता नहीं क्या गड़बड़ हो जाती है.
आपको ये डर है ना माइंड से स्किप हो जाएगा, फटाफट बोल दो, वो नेगेटिव जा रहा है आपकी स्पीच में. ओके, सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट.
यस मैम.
ओके, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन, सिंपल है. ओके एलिजाबेथ, इन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोफेशंस डू पीपल हेल्प अदर्स मोर? एलिजाबेथ, आपने नहीं आंसर करना है कि करना है? हाँ. In what kind of professions do people help others more?
As we know today, we people live in modern era, and we also know about today's technology, and some people.
पहले तो मुझे ना यहाँ पे मेरी बात सुनो. आपने दो पूरे सेंटेंस बोल दिए. एक तो टुडे को टुडे 2 बार बोल दिया जो कि गलत है. दूसरा आपने मॉडर्न एरा क्यों लाए हो, मेरे को ये नहीं समझ आया, और 2 बार बोल दिया ये वर्ड. ओके, फिर आपने वी लिव इन मॉडर्न एरा एंड पता नहीं क्या, इसमें इस आंसर का भी कुछ शुरू ही नहीं करा आपने, तो ये तो बहुत गलत तरीका आंसर देने का. ओके, आप मतलब क्या कर रहे हो, इसका क्वेश्चन का क्या कर रहे हो? इन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोफेशंस डू पीपल हेल्प अदर्स मोर? You can say people help others more in many professions. For example, in the police force, people working in the armed forces, ये इनमें लोगों की help करते हैं ज़्यादा. Or you know, you can say helping others is a personal thing. Any person can help others, even if he is not in any specific profession. You can say like that. It's a very personal thing. It's a personal trait. You can say, if you say doctors help others, they definitely do, but there are doctors who don't help, and there are doctors who help more than other doctors. So you can say that helping others, even you can say you can give a personal example. My washerman teaches children of the slum areas in the evening time. He is helping others. He doesn't have any specific profession as such. So helping others is a personal quality. You can answer any way. ओके, बट आप आंसर पे फोकस बोलो ना. आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी, मॉडर्न एरा में रह रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप हो गई है, क्या है ये? हाँ, तो क्या बोल रहे हो, क्या क्वेश्चन है, क्या बोल रहे हो? ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई आर सम पीपल विलिंग टू हेल्प अदर्स? यस हरलीन, कोई और बोल ही नहीं रहा. आई वांट अदर पीपल आल्सो टू कम फॉरवर्ड एंड स्पीक. Why are some people willing to help others? चलो बोलो. हाँ जी बोलो. अमिता बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Them satisfaction and they feel very happy when they help others, and it also gives them the sense of accomplishment that they have done something good for others.
Why do something? It gives them a sense of accomplishment. Okay, they are willing to help. It just makes them feel happy. It gives them contentment. Okay, peace of mind that they are doing something for the society, doing something for others. Okay, it just makes them feel happy. They get happiness out of it. They feel that God has sent everybody on this earth with a purpose, and their purpose is to help others. Okay, that is it. Okay. The next cue card is describe a time when you changed your opinion. Describe a time when you changed your opinion. Okay. When it was, what the original opinion was, why you changed it, and explain how you felt about it. Who will speak?
From me, Pooja.
Lizzie, are you there? Can you speak? Okay. Malika, would you like to speak on this cue card? A time when you change your...
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you? I hope you're well.
Yes, yes. So would you like to give it a try?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Can you please pardon the topic for me?
I'll speak it out. Describe a time when you changed your opinion, when it was, what the original opinion was, why you changed it, and explain how you felt about it. You have to answer all these 4 cues. Should I put them up in the comment section?
Yes, ma'am, please, because I might forget.
Where is the comment section? I don't know.
The 3 dots, and there you can find chat.
Chat, yes, yes.
Tab.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, a time when I changed my opinion was basically when I wanted to get married. I used to be a girl who never wanted to get married, who wanted to live on her own terms, and I wanted to buy a house for myself. I wanted to work really hard. I wanted to travel the world, but I changed my opinion the day I met my husband. We used to study together in school, and we met after very many years at a reunion, and that was when I felt that maybe my mind is changing, but still I was holding on to that thought that no, I don't want to get married. Maybe it's just I'm feeling it for some time. But then I thought, okay, so then that was the time my opinion changed about marriage. So I spoke to my parents about it, and when it was 2 years back, and last year I spoke to my parents about it, and I'm quite happy about my changed opinion, because life has become more beautiful after getting married, and I feel more blessed, and that's about it. I can go on with the story, but
yes. Okay. So what you have to learn is, basically what you have to learn is that you have to go on for 2 minutes minimum. The cue card the student has to practice for 2 minutes. There are chances the examiner stops you before the 2 minutes if all the cues are answered, which you answered very well. So
thank you.
Yeah, which you answered very well. But the thing is that you have to have matter to speak for 2 minutes. Okay.
Right. Correct.
Yeah, you spoke very correctly. There was no grammatical error, nothing of the sort. You answered all the cues very well. The change was also very nice. And so what do you all think about this idea? Those who are married can use this idea for their cue card. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And then, but you have to go on. Then you can say initially you can just cook up a story. Initially there was a problem because we don't belong to the same caste, and then I thought maybe it won't work, but ultimately both the families agreed, and now we are very happy. So, and then you can go on to say that the marriage took place during the COVID time, so we could not invite anybody, and like that you can make up stories. You can just go on.
Hello,
Okay, Hanji.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we use narration?
Narration what?
In the cue card, like she uses you words.
See, Dilpreet, she spoke beautifully. Okay,
No.
you are going
Okay.
into, can we use this? If you have the English in you to use anything, any form of language, you can go ahead with it. Okay, mostly students don't use the reported speech correctly or things like that. Otherwise, it's okay to use. If you are going, see, this is it. This is the IELTS speaking. You have to tell the examiner you are comfortable with English and you can speak. Okay.
Okay.
If it
It
is
means
coming,
it means I can use a narration in English.
now
Cue
now
card and
you
whole
will
speaking.
have that in mind. I can use narration. Now to use narration, you will go wrong with something else in your speech. Okay. Be natural. Be what you are. Speak what you can. Okay. Don't think I can use narration now. Now I have to use narration one line like that. Okay. That will make you go wrong somewhere else. Okay. ऐसे नहीं है. Whatever. See, that is it is the requirement of the cue card. ओके सो यहाँ पे आपके ओपिनियन की बात हो रही है, तो आप अपने ओपिनियन की बात कर रहे हो, इसमें तो आपका पर्सनल बहुत कुछ आएगा.
ओके मैम.
राइट.
थैंक यू.
हाँ, so like that you can say. Okay. And there is no hard and fast rule about things in the IELTS like that कि आप ये नहीं यूज कर सकते, वो यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Okay. Now the follow-up questions to this cue card are, Binitha, are you there? Will you be able to answer these follow-up questions? Binitha Verghese?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do children like to change opinion?
Of course, ma'am. They don't like, but with much difficulty, they agree to change their opinion because of their emotions. Whenever we change our opinion for children, it badly affects them. Because they are handling the situation according to their emotions. For example, parents are promising children, we will go today evening in the park, and if they are changing their plan to next day, of course they will get hurt and they will become sad.
Okay. Okay. Why do people change opinion?
There are many reasons people change their opinions. First of all, they feel sometimes their opinions are contradict to others' opinion. And secondly, they may feel ego against their opinion. Apart from that,
ego, what do you mean by that? Ego. What do you mean by ego against their opinion?
Sometimes they feel what they are believing or telling to other people. Sometimes it will hurt others. Otherwise, they may feel what they are telling is wrong or it not belongs to that. Such a way they may feel ego.
People change opinion because they come to know that what their opinion was wrong, so they change their opinion. People are flexible. Okay. Sometimes they don't know things, and in their ignorance they form any opinion in their mind, but when they come to know the truth, they change their opinion. Okay, like that you can say. Speak simple things. Okay. When they find contradicting evidence against their previously had opinion, so this is a bit difficult to say, so just say that people change their opinion when they come to know that their opinion was wrong. They formed that opinion based on without having any facts in their mind, but when they come to know something then they change their opinion. So like that you can say. Why do young people turn, who do young people turn to for advice? Who do young people turn to for advice?
Young people mostly they depends on their family members. Whenever they need
young people, Binitha, people is plural. Okay, so after a plural you can't use the verb having an s. Depends. Okay, young people depend.
Okay, ma'am.
Depend on their elders. Okay, go on. Yes.
Whenever they need any help, usually they are depending on their parents or other family members. Yes. Especially if they are facing any crucial situations or any opinion they need in their life. For example, if they want to change their career or if they want to go for higher education, of course, they may take advice from their elders.
Very good. And they sometimes even go to their teachers for advice. You can also say that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Do people like giving opinion about politics?
Of course, nowadays that is very trend. Most of the people, they were fond of talking about politics,
They were
especially.
fond of, or they are fond of, Vinitha?
Okay, ma'am.
They are.
They are fond of talking about politics. Nowadays, we can see that elderly people, they were talking whenever they get free time about politics according to their interest
Here
and
also,
choice.
Vinitha, you've used the word were. So were is for
Okay,
past tense. You don't
Yeah.
want to use the past tense here. You know, you can say the elderly people also discuss politics. The young people also discuss politics. Politics is a hot topic of debate. Okay, people like to discuss, talk about their favorite politician and any politician who is not doing anything for them. So politics is a common topic of debate or discussion in many get-togethers or many parties. Okay, like that you can say.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, the next cue card we are going to go on to is describe a time when you first talked in a foreign language. Describe a time when you first talked in a foreign language. So who will speak this? Anybody? Any volunteer?
Ma'am, can you post the cue card points in the chat, please?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, shall I? Ma'am, I'm Divya.
Yes, Divya, you can go ahead. I've posted in the chat box. Aditi, next one will be yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, shall I start?
Yes.
Language is a means of communication and exchange our ideas. Today, I would like to talk about a situation where I spoke a foreign language, that is English, for first time. Even though I learned some basic alphabets A to Z in the kindergarten itself, I was really afraid when my teacher told me to speak for an introduction in English. It happened, I remember vividly, it happened in first standard. I was really nervous and feared a little bit when teacher asked me to introduce myself. I spoke only 2 to 3 sentences about my name, about my parents' name and their profession. It went off for just 2 to 3 minutes. After every seconds, I got a clapping from my friends, and moreover, my teacher corrected me for every mistake I made. I was really happy and more comfortable when I completed that introduction. After that, my teacher gave another task to my friends. She paired all those my friends and tell them to introduce themselves. Some of my students even felt after completion of their introduction, but I felt more comfortable when I completed that introduction. Moreover, I was very happy to talk about that incident to my mother. Now, I am not at all comfortable to say that English more, but I will try my level best to speak English in many situations.
At many places, I could not get what you are trying to imply. Can I go through your recording? Just listen.
Spoke a foreign language, that is English, for first time. Even though I learned some basic alphabets A to Z in the kindergarten itself, I was really afraid when my teacher told me to speak for an introduction in English.
When my teacher asked me to speak, to introduce myself in English. Okay. When my teacher asked me to introduce myself in English.
It happened, I remember vividly, it happened in first standard. I was really nervous and feared a little bit when teacher asked me to introduce myself.
I was really nervous and feared a little bit. I was really nervous and afraid a little bit. Okay, a little bit afraid.
Okay, ma'am. I spoke only 2 to 3 sentences about my name.
2 to 3 sentences. 2 to 3 sentences, right?
Yes, ma'am.
About my parents' name and their profession. It went off for just 2 to 3 minutes. After every seconds, I got a clapping from my friends, and moreover, my teacher corrected me for every mistake I made. I was really happy and more comfortable when I completed that introduction. After that, my teacher gave another task to my friends. She paired all those my friends and tell them to introduce.
Told them to. Okay, told them to.
Themselves. Some of my students even felt after completion of their introduction, but I felt more comfortable when I completed.
Some of my students, some of my other classmates.
Yes,
they were not your students, okay, classmates. Yes. And what did they feel after there? They felt even nervous after that, nervous like you, okay.
Introduction. Moreover, I was very happy to talk about that incident to my mother. Now, in language, that is English, for first time. Even though I learned some basic alphabets.
Okay, let's start it again. Okay. So, Divya, it's good, but you have to like a few mistakes you made, just pick up those and try to avoid them in the future. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. On the whole, well spoken. At what age? Okay, all the essays related to foreign language are very important. But in this cue card, can you have some other idea to speak on when you spoke a foreign language? For example, you know, just 1 or 2 words, if you learn and speak, it makes you feel happy. You can cook up a story like when I went to Bangkok. Agar aap gaye ho kahin, agar aap nahi gaye ho, then you can say, once my brother brought his French friend from France home, and he didn't know any English or Hindi or Punjabi, so we had to communicate somehow with him, and I learned a few words like thank you and sorry from him, and just say thank you and sorry in that language. Wo learn kar lo the words. For example, you know, when I went to Bangkok, I learned a few Thai words, and swati kha, like we say Sat Sri Akal, it is swati kha or swati khap. If a man says it's swati kha, if a woman says it's swati khap, like that. And so we learned that, and whenever we went anywhere, we would say swati kha. So everybody was very happy listening to that. And when, like, you can just say that is a foreign language for you, okay? And you can say learned a few words, that is it. So you can speak like that. And those are the words I spoke first time, and then I went on speaking them till I was there. For every time I had to speak those words. So English, you know, it doesn't look like a foreign language anymore because it is taught in our schools right from class 1. But it is a foreign language. The cue card is not wrong content-wise, right? That is okay to speak English. That when you spoke English for the first time, that is quite okay to speak like that. But
Finnish is the second language after English that is spoken widely in every country.
Yes,
so that can be an option.
Yes, but you can speak English. Pehli baar bola, you can speak like that also. And all the essays, language essays, are very, very important. You have not seen any language essays in the past. I'm expecting you to get this language essay in your exam anytime in August. You can see language essay. Mark my words, there will be a language essay coming for you.
थोड़े से difficult है जो education वाले हैं ना.
हाँ, difficult है. Language essay कर लेना, बहुत देर से आया नहीं है और language का cue card है और अगस्त में language का essay देखने को मिलने वाला है.
Language essay मतलब मैम?
Language के essays है ना? कौन सी language? ये English as a global language has more advantages than disadvantages.
अच्छा, that way, okay.
Yeah, that way. In order to learn a language well, do you need to go to country? Okay, some languages are
what difficulties one may find while learning
yes, while learning a foreign language. And then there are like languages. Yes.
Ma'am, next week जी करवा देना. Next week जी करवा देना.
अच्छा जी, करवा देंगे. ठीक है. 31st जुलाई जिनका एग्जाम है फर्स्ट को, वो लोग तो प्लीज इसको कर लेना अच्छे से, लैंग्वेज एसेस को. और भी कुछ आ सकता है, डोंट डिपेंड ऑन जस्ट लैंग्वेज कर लिए बैठ के हो गया. वहां पे कुछ और आ सकता है. Okay, I'm not the paper setter. I'm just giving you a guesswork. Guesswork may work, may not
मैम
work.
अगर आप होते तो
हाँ.
अगर आप होते पेपर सेटर तो हमारी मौज थी.
हाँ, पेपर सेटर होती फिर मैं पढ़ा नहीं सकती थी, मुझे साइन करना पड़ता कोई बॉन्ड. I can't teach. Okay. Anyways, at what age should children start learning a foreign language? चलो Aditi, you can give these answers. At what age? अब ये वाला भी लैंग्वेज ऐसे है, ये अच्छा ये तो और है फॉरेन. अच्छा ये लैंग्वेज ऐसे में है कि फॉरेन लैंग्वेज प्राइमरी स्कूल में टीच करनी चाहिए कि सेकेंडरी में. What is more beneficial? Okay, so that is also a language essay. At what age should children start learning a foreign language? Answer.
I would like to start answering this question by my personal experience. I started learning Spanish in my secondary schooling, but I believe that the earlier it is taught, it would be better for children, because the adaptability factor that is associated with them is quite more, and they can learn with a more pace rather than the elderly people. So I believe primary education should be clubbed up with any foreign language. And once when we are evaluating a person's ability, when it is on an international level, it is quite necessary for them to be credible at the same pace and same platform. So when you compare qualifications, it is an added benefit if you are kind of qualifying for one more foreign language that is added in your curriculum as well. So I believe yes, the earlier it starts, it is the better.
Aditi, your answer is quite good. But as you can get this as an essay also, why don't we just put up the points on our fingertips? क्या लिखने हैं? Young people, अगर primary schools में foreign language सिखाई जाए, what are the benefits of teaching language at primary level? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come up with the points. First point.
It is widespread, so you can get an access to number of opportunities.
You are talking about the benefits of learning a foreign language that will come whether you study it in the primary or in the secondary. You are committing the same mistake many students do when this essay is asked. When is it better to learn a foreign language? Learning a foreign language at primary is better or secondary? I'm asking you the points. Why some people say that it is more beneficial to learn a foreign language at primary school?
Because at that time the adaptability of the child is very fast, and children can accept it very easily and learn it very easily.
Children can
accept it.
Accept it. Yes. Okay. Dekho, first point is that very small children, when they are taught a foreign language, they have no hesitation in speaking and learning. Okay, so when a person grows a bit, then there's hesitation. What will others say if I speak something wrong? In that hesitation, the learning process is delayed. But when the child is in primary and you start teaching a foreign language, their pickup is very fast. Okay, and they are not afraid of making mistakes. They are not afraid of the fact that somebody will laugh at them if they speak something wrong. Okay? So that is the point which goes in their favor. Okay, and what is the point which goes in the favor of adults learning a foreign language? I mean, secondary school students or adults.
A more matured approach towards learning something.
Yes, they have a motive behind learning. Supposing, Aditi, I tell you that if you learn French, you will get a job of a 40 lakh package. Then with what zeal and fervor will you learn French?
Oh, that would be great.
Great, right? So that when the adults see there are 2-3 essays. एक ऐसे है कि adults को सीखनी चाहिए और बच्चों को सीखने का difference एक है primary school, secondary school. तो secondary school वाला अगर ऐसे है उसमें ये point डालना कि और भी बहुत subject होते हैं, एक subject और add करना will be a burden on the students. Primary में थोड़े subjects जो है वो languages पे focus कर सकते हो, science पे, and you can avoid the history, geography to be taught at the secondary level. Okay, so languages की pickup young age पे better होती है. Primary and secondary वाले में थोड़े से points अलग से कर लेना. Adults learning में motive आ जाएगा. Motive behind the learning will be 1 point. Secondly, secondary और adults का एक point same जाएगा कि they have another language, their own language to compare and learn something. Okay, they can compare the foreign language with their language and then learn it better. Okay, but young children in the primary schools, they don't make such comparisons. They just learn languages as they come to them, right? So this is
okay.
And what are the benefits of learning a foreign language? This is also an essay. So what are the benefits of learning a foreign language? Aditi, wo aap jo point bol rahe the, wo is essay mein aana hai. There are more options open up to the children when they know a foreign language. Okay. Then another point that you can say is, even many researches have been conducted on this, that children who are bilingual or multilingual have a better IQ than children who are monolingual. Monolingual क्या होते हैं?
Only one language.
One language.
And most of the English speaking people are monolinguals. Okay. और ये प्रूव हो चुका है कि bilingual और multilingual people have more IQ. They do well at other subjects also. Okay. तो ये एक पॉइंट बहुत अच्छा, बेनिफिट ऑफ लर्निंग ए फॉरेन लैंग्वेज. ये अलग से एक ऐसे है, व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स. कुछ लोग कहते हैं स्कूलों में फॉरेन लैंग्वेज कंपलसरी होनी चाहिए, बाकी कहते हैं नहीं कंपलसरी होनी चाहिए. तो उनके पॉइंट दोगे तो यही दोगे ना, वो क्यों कहते हैं कंपलसरी होनी चाहिए. दे से दैट बीइंग बाइलिंगुअल और मल्टीलिंगुअल हैज अ लॉट ऑफ एडवांटेजेस, तो होनी चाहिए, राइट?
ओके.
हाँ, तो ये सब पॉइंट्स मैंने आपको आज लैंग्वेज का ये कराया, तो उसमें मैंने करा दिए. देन नेक्स्ट इज एक और ऐसे है कि कुछ माइनॉरिटी लैंग्वेजेस हैं वो डिसअपियर हो रही हैं. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि इनको सेव करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट को पैसा खर्चना चाहिए, बाकी लोग कहते हैं इनको सेव करने के लिए कुछ नहीं करना चाहिए, मर रही हैं तो मरने दो. ठीक है, अब डिस्कस करने हैं बोथ व्यूज. नाउ व्हाई डू सम पीपल से दैट दीज लैंग्वेजेस शुड बी सेव्ड? डू यू हैव एनी पॉइंट्स इन योर माइंड? किरणदीप, तेरे करके मैं ऐसे डिस्कस कर.
Diversity is disappearing. That's why it is very important to save the language.
Yes. So diversity, but diversity is more important. Amita, you have to prioritize your points also when you are writing an essay. The point which is more important should come first. And what is the most important point? Why do people want all languages to be saved? Because language and culture
next generation aware
because language and culture are inextricably linked.
Yes,
okay. If a language dies, the culture
dies,
and people don't want cultures to die. So they say languages should be preserved, conserved. Okay, like that. And why do some people say language conservation पे पैसा नहीं लगाना चाहिए?
Because world is becoming a smaller place to live in, and with one language it would be better for communicating. It would be better to convey the meaning when it comes to relationship, a bonding between two different aspects.
Very good. So that is the answer. And you can also say that deciding which language to speak is a personal choice. People are abandoning their language in favor of the more commonly spoken languages such as English and French, because they know that with these languages they get a better chance to survive in the global village of today. They want their children to speak English. They want themselves to speak English because they know that if their children know English, they will be better placed in the job market. Okay. And they will be better placed in the global village of today. So they want that if any small language is dying, there's no fun in preserving it, because you know what they say? They say that if a language dies, culture dies. This is correct. But if a language is saved, culture is also saved is not correct. Okay? Because the people are not choosing, people are themselves not choosing to speak that language. So it is dying. Okay? So they say that whatever money government will spend on saving these languages is just money wasted. Government should not spend money on that. So आपको दोनों के मैंने points करा दिए. In a nutshell, I have touched the language essays. Okay. Now now you have the book with you. Go through the language essays, because these essays are important, have not been seen for a long time. If you see them in your exam, you'll remember today's class. Okay. And yes. So anyways, do you think this next question is, do you think minority languages will disappear? Well, how will you answer this question? Aparna, will you try? Do you think minority languages will disappear?
Yes, I think minority languages, they can be disappeared, there are many reasons. Like, first of all, people are not following their traditions and their customs, which are very important to make their languages more like acceptable, not only in their own country but to other countries also.
Okay, good. So that is it. But you can just say that minority language will disappear. You can be very simple and frank. Yes, I think they will disappear because people are themselves choosing not to speak these languages. And they are choosing to speak a few languages which are more commonly spoken around the world. Then you can say English is spoken in how many countries? Approximately 86 countries. And French is spoken in 33 countries already. Okay. So these languages have become the lingua franca. Lingua franca कौन सी language को कहते हैं? What is a lingua franca?
Ma'am, bridge language.
No, lingua franca is any language in which the non-native speakers are more than the native speakers. अब आप native speakers English के count कर लो. अमेरिका की सारी population, यूरोप की और ऑस्ट्रेलिया की population count कर लो. और जो इसके non-native speakers हैं, नॉन नेटिव है, इंडिया वाले, चाइना वाले, कोरिया वाले, जापान वाले, इनकी पॉपुलेशन काउंट कर लो.
हम सब आ गए.
ये ज्यादा हो गए ना. तो नॉन नेटिव स्पीकर्स जिस लैंग्वेज के नेटिव स्पीकर से ज्यादा होते हैं वो लैंग्वेज लिंगुआ फ्रैंका कहलाती है. ठीक है. सो फ्रेंच का देख लो, नॉन नेटिव ज्यादा है, 33 कंट्रीज में बोली जाती है. इसके अपने फ्रांस के लोग कितने हैं? ठीक है. सो लिंगुआ फ्रैंका बन चुकी है ये लैंग्वेजेस. ओके. देन so this is all about the language, essays and the language follow-up questions. Do them. When you will read the essays, you will be able to answer these follow-up questions better. So writing and speaking in the IELTS is like this. Okay, is like this. If you do writing, you are doing the speaking. They are inextricably linked with each other. Okay. If you are doing speaking, you are also doing the writing. See, today it was a speaking class, but we have discussed many essay topics also, right? Because students tell me, ma'am, ideas कहाँ से लाएं? Ma'am, ideas कहाँ से लाएं? Ideas ऐसे हवा से तो नहीं आते. वो तो आपका hard work है ना. You have to read essays. You have to read essays for points. Only then you will do well in your follow-up questions of speaking also. ठीक है? चलो आज की क्लास में end करती हूँ यहाँ पे. Now I'll see you all here.
Ma'am, lingua franca spelling.
Lingua franca. Okay. Lingua franca is LINGUA FRANCA.
Okay, ma'am.
Just 1 second. I open my dictionary. Can you see the dictionary?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lingua franca. Okay. A shared language of communication used between people whose main languages are different. English has become a lingua franca in many parts of the world. So English lingua franca ban chuki hai.
English has become a lingua franca in many parts of the world.
Okay. So this is the main. Otherwise, it means that any language whose non-native speakers are more than the native, that is a lingua franca. Okay. So any other question?
Ma'am, pursuit का क्या मतलब होता है?
Pursuit का मतलब है followed. Pursued is followed. I want to pursue. I want to do. Okay, pursue.
Ma'am, one thing I wanted to understand.
Yes.
When we are discussing that writing and speaking goes hand in hand, how is it possible that I can express myself and I can score in speaking while in writing it is exactly the opposite?
See, Aditi, I'll just tell you from your today's what you answered, I'll tell you. You go wrong in the writing when your ideas go haywire. You are not on topic. Okay, I asked you a question and you answered it totally differently as if it were a different question altogether. Okay, that same thing is happening in your writing. And second thing is that when you start writing, you feel that you have to make complex sentences and use vocabulary, incorporate vocabulary. You start thinking of words and complex sentences to write. That is where you are going wrong. If you write in the way you are speaking, you can definitely score much better. Okay, don't strain yourself into writing. Just express yourself as you are speaking. You speak very beautifully. Just as you speak, if you write, you'll go right. You don't have to worry. You'll get your
Ma'am, can I ask one question out of the topic?
Yes.
Regarding reading, ma'am. Ma'am, in reading, I'm seriously getting depressed because from a very long time, I'm practicing on a daily basis, even 2 passages sometime or 3. But my score is not getting up, ma'am. क्या करूं? और हर बार हर एक अलग बात है. कभी-कभी true false mistake ज़्यादा हो जाती है. कभी-कभी paragraph heading वाला हो जाता है. I'm not getting any clue, ma'am.
Whenever you do a reading and you are not being able to, score, whatever answers you went wrong, do you spend time on understanding why you went wrong?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Then that is the only thing you can do. Then do you build your vocabulary from each reading passage that you do? Do you write?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing that also side by side because it's also very important.
Don't worry. If you are doing it, that is the right way. You will definitely do well in your exam. And when your result comes, you'll know you've done well. Okay? Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
The more you practice nicely, the better you will be. Keep practicing till the date of your exam.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Don't worry about the results. Just do your practice nicely. Okay? You'll do well.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay then.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll be seeing you all on Monday now, right?
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.